Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hit thigh phi backside, thigh chilin all the way up. Exhale down, swung. Inhale up, go back maximum. Exhale down. One more time, inhale up, go back maximum. Stay here another 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, down, high thigh swung, down swung, mud, high, ba, bone, now relax. Same, change your leg, đôi chân. Hít vào hai tay lên, go back maximum. Thở xuống, hai tay xoang, đảo xoang. Hít tay trái, back side, tay phải lên, all the way up. Thở xuống, hai tay xoang, đảo xoang. Hít vào lên, go back maximum. Thở xuống. Last 2 more time. Hít vào lên, thở ra xuống. And the last one, hít vào, inhale, up, go back maximum and stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thở xuống. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax. So come to cat pose. Meow. Yeah, come to cat pose, everybody. Now, cat to cow. Hít vào, look up, chin up. Try to back down. Thở, suck your stomach, down xuống. Try to look your navel. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. And the last one, inhale, up. Hold the breath here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Thở, exhale. Very good. Suck your stomach in. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. The same position. Inhale, chân phải lên, right leg up. Tay trái lên, left hand up. Same. Exhale. Grab your knees and knee to nose. One more time, hít vào lên. Thở ra, xoang. Hít vào lên. Thở ra, xoang. Last 2 more times, hít vào lên. Thở ra, xoang. And the last one, hít vào lên. You have to stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tai Chi, back side. Grab your ankle, chin file in. As much as possible you can up. Lean up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tai Chi swung, chin file, back side. Tai file in, man mil. Mum lean, very good. All the way up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. Come center, doi, chin. So try to change your leg. Same. Hit vào. Chân trái lên. Tai phải. Thở ra. Swung. Hít vào lên. Thở. Hít vào lên. Thở. Last 2 more time. Hít vào lên. Thở. And the last one. Hít vào lên. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tai phải, right hand back side. Grab your left ankle. Chân trái lên. All the way up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, hit chân trái, back side. Yes, come up. Land. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Please come to child pose. Relax your back. Just relax, relax, and relax. Now slowly come to downward facing dog. Mom lean down, swung. Downward facing dog. And slowly release your knees, release your ankle joint. One by one, heel up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hít vào, chân phải lên, right leg up, thẳng chân. Thở, chân phải lên chụp, right leg front in between your palms. Hít vào, hai tay, side of the body, look up, chin up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thở ra, chân phải thẳng chân, hai tay swung, đảo xuống. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same, chân phải ra sau. Right leg back to plank pose. Body should be straight, one line. Hold the breath. Chaturanga Sung. If you cannot, you can drop your knees, chest and chin. Come to Ashtanga. Hit bow, cobra posture. Look up, chin up. Dowlin Maclean lane. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thara. Mamlin down swung. Downward facing dog. Again, one by one, heel up, down. Same, change your leg, hit bow, inhale, chân trái lên, left leg up, all the way up. Exhale, chân trái lên, chuk, left leg front, in between your palms. Again, inhale, both hands, side of the body, go back to maximum, arch back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thở, chân trái, thẳng chân. Try to left knee straight, both palms side of the foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chân trái ra sau, left leg back. To plank pose, body should be straight, one line plank pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sung, Chaturanga, hold the breath. Very good job, nice. Hit vào, cobra posture, look up, chin up, Dowlin Maclean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tha, Mamlin, Dao Swang, downward facing dog. So one more time, inhale, Chang Fai Lin, right leg all the way up. Tha, Chan Fai, Len Chuk, right leg front. Again, drop your knees, Goi Sung. Shit Bow, High Thigh, Len. Raise your both hand up. Go back maximum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tha, High Thigh, side of the body. Sung. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Same, inhale, exhale, thigh phi swung, right hand down, thigh chai, lean, left hand all the way up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now thigh chai, grab your right ankle, chin phi lean. Yeah, come on. Yes, very good. Chin phi lean, thang chang, very good job. Thang, move up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. High thigh swung. Chang Phi Rasa, right leg back. 2 plank pose, body should be straight, 1 line plank pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sung, Chaturanga, come swung. Hit bow, cobra posture, look up, chin up, Dowlin Maclean. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Tha, Mamlin, Dao Swang. Slowly, one by one, heel up, down, move high, ba, bun, nam, sao, bai, tam, tim. Sem, chan chai, hit bow, chan chai, lean. Left leg up. Tha, chan chai, lean chuk. Goi sung, try to knee down. Again, inhale, raise your hands up. Go back maximum. All the way up. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Tha, high thigh, side of the body. Yes. Come down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, hit bow, tai chai, inside. Tai chai swung, tai phi lin, all the way up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tai phi, grab your left ankle. Yeah, chang chai lin. Very good. Nice. Thang. Beautiful. Thang. Thang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Chan chai rasa, left leg back. 2 plank pose, body should be straight, 1 line plank pose. Drop your knees, chest and chin, come to Ashtanga. Inhale, cobra posture. Exhale, come to child pose. Child pose, relax your back. Child pose, relax. Just relax. Relax.